Tacoma Venues and Events recently announced that the Tacoma Dome and the Greater Tacoma Convention Center have installed air purification technology to provide an improved indoor environment in both venues. Stacey Ellifrit has more on this as the community gears up to attend events in the future.
In an effort to address issues related to the pandemic, Tacoma Venues and Events worked with Atmos Air Solutions, an indoor air purification company that provides clean, green indoor air technology.
What they have provided us with is something called bipolar ionization technology. It literally suppresses airborne and surface microbials and pathogens, and of course, including viruses, which is what we're all concerned about today.
Tacoma Venues and Events received funding through the CARES Act and through Pierce County to install this equipment in both the Tacoma Dome and the Greater Tacoma Convention Center.
We're doing everything we can to ensure our guests feel comfortable returning and gathering again. And with that, we're right at the cusp of being able to do that. We can taste it, we can feel it. We're so excited. And the bonus is the system also reduces energy usage and operational costs.
In 30 minutes or less, this HVAC system exchanges the air and removes up to 99% of pathogens, including anything related to coronavirus. This is a key piece for Venues and Events' overall plans for reopening.
So the greater way forward was a series of protocols to reduce things like touch points and enhance overall guest experience when people came back to gather once again. It includes elements like the bipolar ionization, includes something called UVC sanitizing, which is basically light disinfection for surfaces, something called electrostatic sprayers, which is another way to disinfect surfaces.
The Greater Way Forward also includes adapting to a touchless experience. Food service and staff training have been adjusted. There's also an opportunity to pay for parking via the Flowbird app. This plan is helping Venues and Events become primed and ready to welcome guests back.
We have missed people so much. And I think we speak for everyone in the entire world. We've been apart for over a year, and we know there's a lot of pent-up demand to be together again, either for a meeting or a conference or a social activity or to experience live entertainment. We miss it so much.
In the past year, an adjoining hotel to the convention center, the Downtown Marriott, was also opened.
We're excited to get people walking across that bridge and experiencing the whole property now. You can stay right on site and attend meetings in the convention center.
These efforts focus on the safety of guests and making sure anyone can feel completely comfortable gathering in these venues as they are welcome back for events.
But more than that, our events generate hundreds of thousands of visits over the course of a year. And those people come, and they don't only come to our venues, they come and they stay in hotels, they go to our restaurants, they go to our shops, and they purchase things. There's a real economic impact as well, and we can't wait to welcome that back to Tacoma and Pierce County.
For Tacoma Report, I'm Stacey Ellifrit.
For more information about the venue's focus on guest safety, visit the Greater Way Forward at the Greater Tacoma Convention Center and returning to live events at the Tacoma Dome websites.